Welcome to my channel again. This is Effortless Joseph, your anchor man at the free genuine airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pass your verification test on the TapCoins bot. How to pass your anti-bot verification. If you are doing TapCoins airdrop and you have not collected your coins, you need to pass through this verification before you are eligible to collect your coins. Before we move ahead with this video, kindly hit the subscribe button so that anytime new videos are published, you'll be notified. All right, thank you for doing that. So let's move ahead to the purpose of this video tonight. So here is the interface. Here is the platform, the TapCoin mini Telegram mini app where you are going to do your verification. So we'll look at this first. You see this link here on the home page. You just click on it and let's see. This is what you'll be seeing. So let's click on it. All right, and it says by launching this mini app, you agree to the terms of service for mini apps. So allow TapCoin bots to send me messages. So you click on start. You click on this start button. Okay. Let's try it again. I don't know the network. So the start button. And let's see what happens. Okay, I don't know why this. So let's click on this also to check on enter TapCoin. Let's see. It's not there. Oh, I'm not a bot. Okay, so that solves it. So you just click on this link here on the last part of the lower portion and then click on I am not a bot. Okay, good. Now that you're here, you are going to get about 1,000 tap coins for doing this verification. So we're going to click on verify and see how it goes. So we'll go ahead. All right, and it says human verification by biometrics. So it says scan face now. So you click this to scan your face. Okay, you click on this area to scan your face. Okay, allow. So click on the allow button. Can you see that? Okay. Move closer. Post to. So wait while the system tries to verify you. Verification complete. Verification completed. 20 POY tokens have been deposited to your wallet. Open Biometrics app to check your SPO balance. So you click here to check the balance. You seem to be using an app or a browser that may limit features of biometrics. Please copy our link and open in Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. So you copy the link and you go to our Chrome or any of the browsers you're using. So let's go to Chrome. Okay, this is Chrome. So let's paste it on Chrome and then we click to browse. So let's just be a little bit patient because sometimes the network is a little bit slow. And so because it's slow, it takes some time to load. So the most important thing for now is that we have done our verification. Okay, so let's reload it again. Like I said, the network is a little bit poor, and that's why we are seeing this challenge. Okay, we are not able to move ahead because, okay, now it looks like we're making progress. All right. Okay, it says login and register. I am not yet registered here. So what I will do is to register. Please scan face to register or log in your account. Please scan face, register or log in your account. So you click on that to accept the terms and then you register. Click on register. Scan your face to create a new account. Okay. So move ahead. You scan your face now. Okay. Same thing we did before. All right. Move closer. Please wait. As biometric, your face is your account. So let's scan again and see if it goes. Scan again. It's verifying. It's verifying. All right, without wasting more time, let's just stop here because we have already done the basic thing to verify that we are not a bot. And so this other procedure, we can complete it later. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, just try as much as you can to do so, so that next time you can receive our notifications. Okay, good, completed, congratulations. So let's click continue to see you have successfully logged in. If you don't trust this device, please remember to log out. So let's continue and see. Okay, good. You can see that I have 113 POY tokens here. All right. So that is it. Thank you. and see you in our next video. Remember to share this video with your friends and colleagues if it's helpful to you. And remember also to join our WhatsApp group where we'll be getting more tips for airdrop successes. God bless you.